Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today I'm going to be telling us about the recruitments that are available. At the moment, we are having civil defense, national civil defense. We have NDLEA, and very soon DSS will be popping out. So if you're looking for a job, you have to check these out. Check all of them out. This is the website for the civil defense. Tclassified.com. So once you get there, you can have your application. It has links to the various other parastatals or agencies currently employing or we still yet to employ. So we have civil defense there, we have fire, you have immigration, and we have Nigerian Prison Services. So once you click on start your application, it's going to ask you for the one you register first. Then you check out the available jobs so that you check out the cadre you're looking at, whether it's Compass 8, 4, depending on your qualification, whether you just finished secondary school O level or you're done with your university. So you check it out so that you see the qualifications that you have and the appropriate job to apply. Please, if you like this our channel, hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen, hit the bell icon so that whenever we update such videos, you'll be able to see them. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Very importantly, like I said before, we have civil defense ongoing, we have NDLEA. You can always check us out on all these so that if you have any difficulties in making the applications, you can always call our number 070-671-62698 so that we can help you unblock any situation that you have giving you some issues. Yeah, it's very important. Civil defense, you have to create an email first so that once you finish the first page of registration, you click on register, they are going to send you an email. You have to have a working email. So once you get to the email, you click on the link there, you will be led to where you can finish up your application. So that is that for civil defense. There's NDLEA, there's DSS. So you can always keep updated on any recruitment that is being done in Nigeria if you have us subscribed. So hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen, hit the bell icon so that whenever we upload any video, you'll be able to see them. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.